In this video, we're going to look at how to export a set of files from Zotero that are being compiled for your literature review or article production. So here in this file, non-union of the scaphoid, we have 41 citations that we have collected. So what we want to do now is to export this whole folder file as a collection to be used in another software. So we're going to export the collection. I've chosen here your various choices of formats. You have RIS, EndNote, XML. Now you want to export the notes and the files because then they are useful, because if there are abstracts available on the file, they will also be imported into your system that you're going to use these citations for. So here I'm going to use the word XML because a lot of the new systematic review softwares require an XML format for importation of your citations. So I'm going to say OK, and the title has already been given, and I know where it's going to go to my downloads, and I'm going to save it. So here you have it. The file has been saved as non-union scaphoid, and this is the set of the folder in which it is. So this XML then can be imported into other systems for use as a citation data set. Thank you.